Hi, Matt Thomas here with another OneChart lesson. Today we're looking at Kill of the Night by Gin Wigmore, a fantastic song which uses some pretty simple open chords, including a B7. So if you're not familiar with your B7, there it is. It's probably the only challenging chord in this song. The other ones are E minor, G, A minor, C, and B7. And the main riff that it starts off with is on the E string, and we use a little bit of palm muting. And if you don't know about palm muting or not sure how to do it, please see my video. I'll put a link in the description below so you can actually perfect this technique. It's a really useful technique to have. What we're doing is we're playing an E. I'm usually going to play my E minor like this with just one finger, because all we're really using are the bottom two notes out of our E minor, which makes it a power chord. So a power chord is just the root note and the first note in that chord, which is the fifth, which is why you'll see power chords sometimes written as E5 rather than an E power chord. That's what power chords mean, E5, a root and the fifth note in the major scale of that chord. So we start off on the beat 3 and that means when we start with an and, it's on an upstroke. So all of our beats on the 1, the 2, 3, and 4 will always be on a downstroke. No matter what song we're doing, no matter where we are, left-handed, right-handed, beats on the 1, 2, 3, and 4 will always be a downstroke. This beat on the 3 and, therefore, is an upstroke. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And it's kind of slightly swung or shuffle rhythm, this song. 1 and 2 and 3. Right? Now, first one on the up strum is an open E string. Beat 4 is the 3rd fret, the G on the E string. And then the 4 and, we come back up and catch the E string open again. And it doesn't matter whether you just do the E string or whether you do the E string and the A string together. Of course, if you've got the A string fretted, it's on the 2nd fret because that's part of your E chord. So 1, 2, 3. And there's our really nice chunky palm muting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll see what I'm doing here as well as muting it with my strumming hand. I'm actually using these fingers to come down on the strings after I strum the E power chord, like that. So it's kind of a double muffling technique. So we do one bar of just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the next bar is the same as the one in the first bar, except we're strumming into it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, so once you've got that, that's the rhythm for a lot of the song. There's your intro. And then we're into the verse. So let's go through the intro in its entirety, and then we're just strumming through the chords with that 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you want to make it a little bit more interesting, and what I'll probably do without thinking about it is do a little up strum on the 4 and. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? If you hear that happening, it's just a little upstroke on the 4 and. You can do it on the 2 and as well if you want to, make it a little bit busier. From the top, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The streets alive. I'm gonna lure you into the dark of my own desire to hear the boom, boom, boom of your heart. And every 4 bars, I think, they put that little riff in there. So you can see in the second line of your chart, which is a free download by the way, you get to the end of that verse where the repeat section is. It's usually after that B7 you'll put in another. So each time you're going back to the E minor, okay? There's your verse. Streets alive, I'm gonna lure you into the dark. My cold desire to hear the boom, boom, boom of your heart. The danger is I'm dangerous and I might just tear you apart. So that's 3 times. We move through the repeat sign and go back to the C, and it goes oh, oh, into the chorus. And you can open up your chords now and really strum through these open chords for the chorus. I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, A minor, and C, B7. I'm gonna taste the way that you bleed. Oh. When you hit that B7 at the end of the line, it stops on the first beat, and then the drums kind of take you through the rest of that bar. So it's you're my killer of the night, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now the next verse is the same as the first verse, moving through that pattern 3 times and then coming out of it with the C to the B7 into the chorus. I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna taste the way that you bleed. Oh, oh. Double chorus. I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna taste the way that you bleed. You're my keel of the night. Then we move into what is a 20 bar section of weird noises and stuff. It's over the E minor. You can kind of do whatever you want in there, but I haven't really charted it out because it would just be messy on the paper if I did. And there's a lot of weird noises in there which are, you know, learn how to make them if you want. It's just experimental. You can kind of fool around with that. When it comes out of that section, that 20 bar section over the E minor, it goes into the C. It goes and into the double chorus to end. I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna taste the way that you bleed. Oh, oh. I'm going, and sometimes, just sometimes, on the double choruses, there's a push on that second line. So when it goes to the E minor the second time, or the fourth time I guess, but when it goes to that double chorus, the second time you start the chorus, the second chorus, if you catch it on the 4 and of the preceding bar, it kind of changes a little bit earlier, like a half beat earlier. What I mean by that is this. This is the first chorus. I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna taste 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here comes the double chorus and the push. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. See what I mean? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Catch it on an upstroke and it lands on exactly the 4 and beat of the B7 bar, if you like. Go through a double chorus and then you end on the E minor. Great song, easy to play. Hope you have fun with it. That riff is key to making that song sound really, really menacing and chunky and great like it does. Thanks for watching. please like and subscribe. I really appreciate all the support, and we'll see you for more lessons soon.